Have you ever felt a strange sense of comfort in the pitter-patter of raindrops against your window pane? A feeling of solitude that's not lonely, but rather a peaceful retreat from the clamor of the world. In the quietude of a rainy day, there's a certain intimacy that emerges, a connection with the natural world that can be both calming and introspective. Cinema has long captured this unique relationship between rain and human emotion, using it to evoke a range of feelings, from the melancholic solitude of a rainy night to the cathartic release of letting go under the cleansing downpour. In this video, we delve into the cinematic world of rain montages, exploring how filmmakers have harnessed the power of raindrops to create poignant moments of introspection and self-discovery. So, grab your favorite blanket, dim the lights, and let the cinematic rain wash away your worries and transport you to a world of cozy contentment. And perhaps you'll discover a newfound appreciation for the quiet beauty and emotional resonance of a gentle downpour.
Let not my enemies triumph over me.
We're in this cottage here. Are you the farmer? Stop saying
Fully sorted out one thing, which is marriage and me were very clearly not meant for one another.
What did I do? What did I do?
Mr. Darcy, my sister, to its derision for disappointed hopes.
I do not deny.
I understand this disease. God, please help me figure it out.
It's because she's shy.
I did it for his own good.
My sister hardly shows her true feelings to me.
Do the right thing, please, God, help me find the gun.
Oh, yes, his misfortunes have been very great indeed. So this is your opinion of me. Thank you for explaining so fully.
What's wrong with you?
Paris, listen to me. Stay here.
Singing in the rain.
365 letters.
Every day! So forgive me for not going home to have a good night's rest!
You're afraid to stick out your chin and say, okay, life's a fact. People do fall in love. People do belong to each other.
You wrote me?
Yes.
And why did you look for my fucking daughter rather than fucking...
The words were inside of me. I was wrong, Robert. I was wrong to stay, but I can't go.
미역 오빠한테 절대 이런 일이 안 생기지!
そんなやついるか？いたんだよ。
Why won't you let me help you?
전부 말하는 말이야, 새끼야!
We had nothing. We had good sex.
You're gonna have to do better than that, Steven!
She gave me a pen. She gave me my heart. She gave me a pen.
Not far for what I want.
Oh, what do you want, Melanie? I don't even think you know.
And I'm sorry. I was afraid. I was afraid if I told you, I would push you away.
You have to go.
Please, get on with your life. It's over.
Still isn't over.